Hello friends, welcome you to your own channel Technology Transforming. And as we did many topics in our past, we did from basic, how if you have new computer, how you can set up your computer. If you have you want to increase your performance, you can increase your performance of your computer with different commands. If you can want to something edit, you can how you can edit your things, how you can edit your documents. We talk about MS Paint, we talk about MS Paint 3D options, we talk about many more things. I think if you did not see our video, please go into our channel and go into videos, and whatever you want to see, you just look into that. Today's sessions, we are going to start with the application packages. And first application packages, today we are going to do Microsoft Word. And I just want to give a brief introduction about Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is basically used for to preparing your documents, preparing your letters, to write a book, write a summary, write a report, or many more things. Whatever it's used in corporate offices, used in government offices, and used everywhere wherever you have something writing work like letter, document, etc. Apart from that, today this session will not cover into one session, so maybe this session will cover into 3 or 4 sessions. And today we'll start with the basic. So how we are going to work in Microsoft Word. So friends, let's start today's session. So first, I just want to tell you that it's 2020, and the many of us is using 2007 or 2010. So I want to show you how the 2007 will be looks like. So 2007 will be looks like this, where you have home, insert, and these tabs, and this thing. And apart from that, we have this is the 7 basically, and this is the 10. So because in my laptop I'm using 2016, so maybe the appearance can be different. So you just don't worry on that. Once I will tell you where it's the icon and how it is, it will be the same. Once you understand one, it will be the same. So we'll start today's session. So how you can open the Microsoft, either you can click on desktop or anywhere, or you can just click on new, then it is the Microsoft Word document. Apart from that, you just go to your all the programs, and the programs you can see it will under the Microsoft Office. And apart from that, in our video we already discussed, if you want to create shortcut from your keyboard, you can create your shortcut as well. So you can just go here and just put WinWord, so it will by default it will come. So we'll click on the WinWord, then it will ask where you want to what you want. So you want to like any document, previous document, so we'll create here blank document, and this will open looks like. Then we have here many options, but we'll start from the layout. So layout is basically how your documents looks like, and the layout based on how's your margin. So margins is basically it's normal. Right now it's normal. So normal is 1 inch left from each top, bottom, left, right. So each from each side 1 inch is left out. So if you see here 1 inch, this is 1 inch, down also 1 inch, and this side also 1 inch. So it will not go beyond maybe this, because this is the last 1 inch. Then narrow, then we have different page layout based on this. Suppose we have some maybe ID card and other thing, this will only come into this area. Apart from that, we can orientation is portrait and landscape. Apart from that, we have size again letter. So generally we use letter or A4 size. Sometimes A5 size also there, in big this thing. A1 and A0 is also available, because that is for something AutoCAD purpose or that thing. But it's generally all the Word documents, or all the Excel documents is generally printed either A3, A4 document or letter size document. Then we have we can, apart from that, we can do customization page setup. So page setups is important, friends. Once you are starting your Microsoft, you just do with the page setup, because what happen, page setup is do your how will be your documents looks like. If you are not setting up the page, suppose you did full this thing, then if formatting will be wrong, if the printout will be not look like nice. Apart from that, you can do like landscape. From here, landscape will look like and the portrait is this. So portrait is basically vertical and landscape is basically horizontal. Then we can have like you can set your margins left, right, top, bottom. From here you can select your paper, it's for printer basically. And layout is of course layout you are selecting. So we'll go with the right now portrait, because its document is portrait, and then right now it's just. So once this is done, your everything is done, you have no need to come here again. It's by default is everything is according to your settings. Now the file is there. So what is in the file? You can have info, new, if you want to new document, you can have open something. If already previously you created, you can open from here. Save as, suppose save your file name as test and you want test1, so you can do save as. Print, share, you can do shares, and many others thing you can do it. Then now we'll talk about home. So home will look like this, and we are now in the where our writing or our documents we are going to prepare. So what we'll do, we will not waste our time in the typing. You can do your own self, because all the typing keyboard in the your laptop, computer keyboard, so you can type. So what we'll do, we'll just take something from right now website, and we will just copy and paste. Okay, and one more command is there where we can take some text based on Microsoft command. You can say this is a kind of secret command. So what we'll do, we'll put rand, and then we'll put comma. Then we want like one paragraph or one line. So what it, once we'll click, it will just like this. Then again we'll use this command, we'll put some 2-3 paragraph. Okay, and we'll do 3 by 2. So what is like 3 paragraphs, each have 2 lines. So this is our documents. What happened now, I can show you something with this text. Okay, now if we want to so what we'll do, we'll like, if we want, this is our by default font. We want to change into suppose Arial, so we can change into the Arial. Then this is the Arial, but this is, what is the size is 11. You can increase the size from here or decrease the size from here as per your convenience. What you will do now, if you want, this is looks like different and this is look like different. So what you want to do, as same. So what you will do, the best option is go into the format paint. You just click into this and just drag into that. So if you will see, this is also same like this, you see. Now if you want to do this with the, because this is the heading thing, so what you will do, you just do this big size, and you do just, this is bold. So what happened now, this is, you see it's different board, and this is this thing. Apart from that, you want to have like something italic. So what you do, you just select this and you just do italic. You want to do something like underline, you just do underline. Okay, apart from that, if you want to change color of the thing, so you just change of the color. So what you will do, from here you just select any of the color. So right now I'm doing this thing red, because something it's important, so you can do like this. If this is your heading, you just create this big, and you want to center, so it will come by default in the center. So this is the center, this is your left alignment, and this is your right alignment. And this is, you can do many more things from here. Something you don't want, you want to some text into the document, but you don't want to delete, but this is not important. So you can, what you do, you just cut this document. So if you cut, you see that text is like saying it's already cut from the middle. Apart from that, you can do many things like we already cover this we cover. And now what we'll do, okay, we want to create some sequence. So what you will do, class, okay, this is coming by default, so we'll remove this. So what we want to do, we want to do some bullets. So bullets, we just create like bullets, and we want to do class A, class B, class C, or you can create whatever you want to do. Even you can change this into the numbers. So numbers you can put whatever it is, you know. Bullets you already do, so bullets style you can change any bullet style. Now you want to divide you know, sections. So below this you want to create section 1, sorry, and you want to do section 2. So what you will do, you will select this and you just create you know, the sections like this. Okay, I'm creating this. So what you will do, you want to do like this, you know. So you can create many things in the Word as according to your format requirement, according to your this thing. Okay, you want to do something like some text, you know, some what you want to change some style. So you can go here, you can change some style, you know. So many things. If you want to highlight this, if you feel this is the more important this thing, so you can highlight from here, you know. So this many things are there. Apart from that, if you see, if you ask me, there are we covered with the home, and we can't cover all the things in one video. So what I would say, we will come with the next video, but before we closing, I will show you some of the you know, some of the things like shortcut key. So these shortcut key you can note down. You know, Ctrl A means select all. So we'll go there and just do Ctrl A. So we'll do Ctrl A. If you see, everything is selected. Apart from that, many things like bold text. If you want to bold text, so you can just go there, and some particular text you just select this and Ctrl B. So it is automatically bold. So this you can do like Ctrl C, copy text, Ctrl I, italic font, print of the file, Ctrl S, save of the file, paste, and this many more things. So right now I just will show you the save, how you can save. You just go here, file, and then save this document. You can just put Ctrl S also. So if you put Ctrl and S, it by default asks where you want to save. So by default right now we are doing in desktop. So test, okay, and we'll save here in desktop. So our file is saved in the desktop. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session, and then we'll discuss on the you know, like insert, design, layout. And that insert is very important because it create tables, and you know, many tables, many documents is required tables. So we required one and another 2 sessions to complete this MS Word. So thank you for watching, friends. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel, press bell icon so you will get, you know, new notification when we upload it. Please like and share with your friends, and thank you for watching.